Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have terminal access and a user with sudo rights. Once confirmed, install essentials like an editor, curl, and git so you can edit, fetch, and version files. Change into your working directory, and if tools are not found, export path temporarily. These first steps matter because they remove friction. Without them, you waste time. After this, create a small test file and commit it to ensure the environment behaves as expected before moving on. You now execute the core workflow by breaking the chapter into discrete commands and running one at a time so you can observe effects. Use pipes and redirection to shape output and grep to filter relevant lines. This reduces noise and helps you find errors fast. Make repeatable sequences a script. sh file, then use chmod plus x to make it executable. Once done, run the script and watch for exit codes. Non-zero codes tell you where to focus next, enabling faster iteration and cleaner results. You finish by validating outputs. Inspect files, tail logs, and confirm exit codes are 0. Commit any config or scripts to your repository with clear messages so you can reproduce the steps later. If deployment is involved, restart services and recheck endpoints. Small waits help dependent processes initialize. Make sure to create a rollback plan using backups or git revert so you can restore quickly if needed. Tip: if something fails, check the most recent log entries first. They usually reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.